Oh my goodness, $1,000 fish. Definitely. This one's bigger.
Definitely bigger.
Oh. Oh. Here we go. Candy right there, candy. Oh. And guess what? Last but not least, the $1,000 Gem Tang. Stay still, do not move. We are on the way to Top Shelf. We are an hour and 35 minutes away from Top Shelf, and today's the day we get our Gem Tang. What is going on, pros? Welcome back to another video. We got the dogs with us too. The dogs came for a ride up north, and manager TJ. We're gonna also get a lot more than just the Gem Tang, of course. We're doing a little fish shopping spree again. Let's go. Bam, Top Shelf, baby. A little baby emperor snapper. Guys, we're here. We're looking at fish. There's fish everywhere. They have a lot more fish than they had last time. Yo, I know we gotta get the Gem Tang because y'all absolutely smashed the like button. That's why we're here today, is to get that one specific fish. But along with that, we're obviously gonna get a little bit more fish as well. We gotta load up. Now, it's a tradition. Every time we come, this is the third time, we need to have you guys like the video for some species of fish to come back.
We got to do more than 30,000.
100%. The last time we hit 30K like in less than 24 hours. So crazy. I think we're gonna go with, for this anglerfish, we're gonna set up a whole aquarium for it, get an anglerfish bigger than that. Any of these we can get. Comment down below which of these anglerfish you wanna see us get, and then smash the like button, because at 50,000 likes, it's gotta hit 50K. That's a good number. Like, we gotta get some views on this video to hit 50K likes, so smash the like button. Then go down below and comment what kind of anglerfish you want us to get. Now, I'm gonna list them on the screen here, that way you have an option to pick from if you don't know these fish. Pick your anglerfish down in the comments down below and smash that like button. 50,000 likes, we'll get the most commented one.
Sounds good, man.
All right, okay, what do we think we're gonna get here?
The reason you drove all this way
is the Gem Tang. This one's bigger.
Definitely bigger. They're very hard to come by that small. This is probably the most common size, but obviously you needed it ASAP because you guys killed it. So
oh my goodness. Yes, $1,000 fish. Running me dry, Cuffaros. You guys love running me dry here. And along with that, we're gonna get some other fish as well. Yeah. What are you thinking?
I'm thinking whitetail bristletooth, maybe.
Okay. So that little tang that's already with the Gem Tang. Whitetail bristletooth?
Yep. Gem Tang's gonna be the boss of the tank, so I don't really want to add any tangs after that. So we're gonna kind of throw them in now, let them kind of settle it out a little bit, but then they'll be good long term.
Starry Blenny.
Yep.
I kind of like that thing.
Yeah, you can definitely do that. That thing gets huge though.
Oh my goodness. Starry Blenny, 55 bucks for that old man in the back corner. He literally looks like an old man. This is the bigger version. Pintail Rass. There he is. He's showing himself a little bit. He's in the back there. There, right there. Oh yeah. So we got the Gem Tang, the saber-toothed tiger whitetail. We got a wrasse and then a blenny. Yeah. So four fish so far. 2 tangs, a blenny, and a wrasse. We're still going?
I think so. I got one more ahead.
I think I have like $1,600 left on my gift card.
So like $5.
Yeah, like $5 left. Ooh, that guy?
Yeah.
No way. I feel like that might be one of my favorite fish.
When they get honestly big, the pink on the top, here's a bigger one. Yeah.
This is the bigger one down here? Oh yeah. That's beautiful. I like that. That's really neat.
So they're a good algae eater. He'll be able to hang with the tangs because they're venomous, so be careful putting your hand in the tank.
Okay, don't get spiked.
Yeah, exactly.
Got it. I hope everything goes well, man. You never know. Aquariums are aquariums, fish are fish. Things happen. Look at the lionfish. And what is that red thing next to it?
That is a Popeye or a Big Eye Catalufa.
The Popeye Catalufa?
Yep.
I like that. Really cool.
Those things
$400 fish.
Huge.
It reminds me of something you would catch in like 5,000 feet of water.
That's pretty much, so they're a cave dwelling fish.
Makes sense. Check that out right there. That thing is pretty.
So usually they have perfect stripes up and down, but if you look at them, it's got a couple of stripes that aren't fully connected, so it makes the price go up just a little bit. So these are belly gobies. They're like the prettiest sand-sifting gobies. Well, they will eat frozen eventually, but they're just absolutely gorgeous and definitely gonna help move that sand around so it's nice and clean.
So I was just telling them that we had a little bit of algae in the sand. Obviously we have Mexican turbo snails and conchs and stuff that help with that, but this in specific does that. So we'll stick with one. All right, cool. Look how crazy these fish are.
All the engineer gobies.
They look awesome.
They get to be like big eels pretty much.
We're gonna get our little sand shifters here first.
Little bella gobies.
How many nets you got in there? You collect?
Yeah, there's like 7 duplicates of the same one because they just go missing all the time.
Got 'em. Oh yeah, that's my favorite part, when they go into the bucket.
You actually see them.
Actually see them. First fish in the bag. Now we got a couple more to go. Fox face, you're next. Oh. That is a beautiful fish right there. Fox face. What do you think, Pharaohs? That might be one of my favorites. I don't know about you, but that is a really, really good looking fish. See you at home, buddy. On a bowl? Oh wow, look at you.
I gotta bag them together, but.
Look at that. Oh, look at the colors.
Yeah, dude, I told you he's nuts.
Oh yeah, dude.
There he goes.
Man. That's some, that's, you said best bang for your buck, huh?
Oh, 100%. A lot of the wrasses that are like super nice are gonna be like $400 to $500.
Yeah, guy.
$150.
150 bucks. Cha-ching. Oh,
He's struggling.
check this out. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Very nice.
I think it's gorgeous.
Pretty solid.
Got one more though. The whole reason you drove.
The whole reason we drove all the way here is the next fish. You want to time us?
Let's set the timer.
All right, we're gonna time, see how long it takes me to catch this Gem Tang. He caught the Emperor Angelfish in 58 seconds.
So it was right there, right at the
Let's see
buzzer.
if I can beat that.
Ready, set, go. Yo, it's not in the container yet.
Oh, you see your plan.
Super nice. Look at the weight on that.
How long did it take me? 20 seconds?
20 seconds, yeah. It's a smaller chamber. It's a smaller chamber.
Yeah, you're right. Smaller tank, smaller fish. I won. Look at that.
No, we gotta get it. We gotta get
the white light. The white light. The blue light just kills it. Yellowtail, white spots everywhere, all black. Very nice.
Very nice. Very nice.
That is the last fish for today. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 fish.
I'd say that's a good haul.
That's a pretty good haul.
$1,000 fish, absolutely crazy. Just one of the most staples in the hobby. Just solid black. Gonna be the boss of the tank. The zebra soma tanks are super, territorial sometimes. So that's why we're getting everything else, so he doesn't really have anything to pick on later on, such as the whitetail bristletooth. This is gonna be like a really good algae eater. You'll see him picking all day, but that red is just gonna be super, super vibrant with really nice yellow eyes. Just a really nice fish to have. We got the magnificent fox face. That's gonna be kind of a timid fish at times, but when he comes out and shows all of its colors, it's an absolutely gorgeous fish. Another good algae eater. Gonna get big, but just beautiful. Then we got the Pintail Rass. Best bang for your buck wrasse there is. Nice oranges, pinks, flashes really beautifully.
That one had some crazy colors.
Oh yeah. Then we got the Starry Blenny, the old man.
Come out, old man. There he is.
It's also gonna be good for picking out algae. We got a lot of utilitarian fish, which is gonna be good for the tank. And then of course the Bella Goby, really gonna clean up that sand, sifting the sand, which is cool to watch.
Great selection, absolutely fantastic. Smash that like button. All right, we're going to the register, checking out all of our fish. We're gonna see the damage, see if I have enough on my gift card. World's smallest saltwater aquarium.
It's actually looking really nice.
It is looking amazing.
The gobies down there.
All right, here we are.
Oh.
Yes, sir.
I want a saltwater
It's always such
tank.
No, now you want a tank.
I want one.
It's always a fun trip coming out here. Well, I guess the dogs get to sit with the fish today. Here we go. What do you think, guys? They're like, oh yeah.
We're gonna like eat them on the way.
Pop all the bags. Thank you, man. As always, good to see you. Thank you so much. We're back home, and everything is out of the bags and into the 5-gallon bucket on this drip line right here. We're gonna have to let this sit and acclimate for like 30 to 45 minutes until this bucket pretty much doubles the water that it had prior to it. That way, everything's acclimated nicely. As you can see, look at the little drip. Drip, 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 drip. We have all the corals in the tank from last trip. There's one of our beautiful tangs right there. Zebra eels down there. We're gonna feed him in just a second before we put the fish in. One of our 3 clownfish right there, the 2 super storms around him. He's just hanging out right there on top. We got 1 wrasse right there. It's literally like playing a game of Call of Duty trying to get a headshot right now. I can't see through the rocks. Okay. Shark egg is also probably ready to burst within the next week. It's got like barely any yolk, if any yolk at all. I think if it doesn't hatch for the next like 3 days, honestly even 2 days, I'm gonna cut it out myself. And that will definitely be a video on the channel, so make sure to subscribe down below. But I tell you what, big tank, looking amazing, and it's about to get some new fish. Inside the fish building, we have the lights. They arrived. These are the lights. They're actually being installed tomorrow, so the day this video goes live, there will be lights in the building, or at least getting installed. So in our next video, I'll probably have the lights hanging up in here, lit up. I came into the fish room to get crabs. We have a freezer full of shrimp and crabs and tilapia. I think there's some in here. Candy right there, candy. My zebra eel loves these crab clusters right here. It's time for dinner. That's why they're all screaming at me. You guys want a crab? I have a fresh crab. What about you, Lady May? You want a crab? Or the goats? Hey, goats, you want a crab? Here, Boots, you want this crab? He's like, no. I'll be back out to feed you guys, all right? Gotta go feed the eel. We'll put some new fish in the tank here in a second. Oh, it grounded before it floated. All the fish are eating the chunks of crab coming out of the rocks as the eel breaks it up. Look at the wrasse. That is so sick. It's officially time. It's been like 45 minutes, honestly, maybe even longer than that. The water has doubled. The fish are ready to go in. It's a big net, but it'll do. Remove our drip line. That wrassicle. Oh, he's nuts. There we go. This is our sand shifter right here. See you, bud. So long, buddy. I'm gonna go with one of these guys next. Whoever goes in the net. Boom. I'm excited. I love all the tangs. Having a bunch of different tangs in the tank is so cool. Go in. Woo. We'll get clips of all the fish swimming around on my iPhone. We can actually not use the wide angle lens. Check out the colors. Changed so much. Oh, yeah. This one's colors are just unbeatable. There he is. Woo! This is our old man right here, a Blenny. I think we named him Arnold or something at the shop. There he is, look at Arnold. Hey, guess what? Last but not least, the $1,000 Gem Tang. Can we just get a look at this? Would you look at that? Look at that. Woo! Stay still, do not move. Please don't do this. Yes. Woo-hoo! The king of the tank. That right there is the king of the tank. Whoa, look at the tank. Hey, look at this. I also got a magnifying glass, so we could bring it down to a coral, and then look at that. Look how clear it is. Isn't that awesome? I had to get this thing. I saw it at Andy's shop, and I was like, this is definitely a purchase. The little fish that we got that literally sifts sand, he's inside that hole. He made a hole in there. I got a couple new corals, including that one, this beautiful one down here, another one up there. Shopping, to be honest with you, I got really bored off camera and I was like, this is awesome, and I bought them. I want to make this covered in coral, as you know, hence why we haven't been buying tangs and certain fish that eat coral. Been staying away from certain tangs at least. This shark is about to burst, so don't be surprised if that's literally my next video. Look at him in there. You can see the brown little bandits on him. Now I'll tell you what, the blue light's on, the fish are out, they're swimming around, right? I turn this white light on and all the fish disappear. They go hiding. But he's back there, hence why I got all that iPhone footage that you saw right before this clip. The tank looks absolutely amazing. And that was yet another stocking video. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Every time I go to Top Shelf, it's an absolute blast. If you guys ever do want to visit that store yourself, all the information is down below. They always hook it up. Go check out the merch, PokeFaroBrand.com. Y'all have been selling the most merch I've ever sold in my entire life this last month, so I appreciate you so much for that, because all the funds for that go right back into the farm. You see how much these videos cost? It ain't cheap. Thank you so much for supporting the brand, PokeFaroBrand.com. If you don't have any merch yet, hop on the train. Come on now, get yourself some. Tank looks absolutely amazing and only more to come. See you in the next one. Peace.